As you can see, we have a sample project, one already created. Now go to File menu, click on Settings, find Python Interpreter in left panel. Now choose any existing Python interpreter, click on plus icon. Using it, we can install as many as possible libraries. We are choosing pandas as of our first library to install. We can also specify the version of the library, and we are choosing the version 2.2.1 if you want. You can choose other one if you want. As you can see, pandas is installed, and its dependency are also installed like NumPy. Click OK. Now you can see cython in trying to load all of new libraries so we can use.